Fix in 5. P0583. Cruise control system fault, insufficient voltage or circuit malfunctio. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Cruise control inoperative or unable to engage, cruise control light does not illuminate, loss of speed regulation function, intermittent cruise control failure. Now the most likely causes. Cruise control switch open or short circuit. Cruise control module electrical fault. Wiring harness damage or corrosion. Low battery voltage or weak electrical supply. Faulty cruise control actuator. What does it cost? Roughly €25 to €75 doing it yourself, or €65 minus 115 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace cruise control switch if defective. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness. Replace cruise control module if fault confirmed. Clean corroded electrical connectors. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0583 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0583 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0583. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.